I've told Richard to send her away. Even the kinsmen called him and said the same thing. But he disagreed.
Mama, are you sure his wife has not hypnotized him?
Not even when I'm in that house.
Hi!
Yes, not when I'm in that house. He did not send her away just because of the little boy, Rex.
Mama, I don't think so. I believe Richard is doing all these things because he still loves her.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Mama is right. It is because of that little boy.
He's in love with her after what she did in the family. See, awesome love.
I am a man and I'm talking out of experience. So Rapoku.
Because we're going to gain experience again. Gain experience again. What do you know? Because get out. No man can still keep her in that house after what she did in the family.
I know, Mama. That's why I said that you are right. You are right.
Anyway, that one is not my problem. Right now, Mama, please, what did you come back with? I am very, very hungry like this.
Abuchi, Mama is talking about Benson's death. And you're here asking Mama what she came back with. Do you even have a conscience?
I don't remember calling your name. Nkole, I am not talking to you. Don't start now because you see Mama. Don't start. Stupid girl.
I thought that you people had no problems because I did not hear any complaint from you.
Mama, we had no problems. In fact, he behaved very well. I was even surprised. Mama, come.
Maybe I will more check in here.
Mama, let me check the food on the fire.
Please be fast about it. I'm hungry. Please be fast.
Okay, Mama.
Hey.
You mean your husband's auntie did this to you?
That woman is the problem I am facing right now. She's my worst nightmare. Thank God she went back to the village yesterday.
Where was your husband when she was beating you up?
Where? He was there. He was there. He was just watching us. At some point, he walked away.
Are you serious?
My husband has no interest in me anymore. He is only interested in drinks. His auntie beats me all the time. Even in front of my son. He'll just be there, watching us. He would never utter a word.
It's okay. Stop crying.
I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do to make him forget the past and be happy again. He used to be a happy man.
Have you spoken to your people like I advised?
How can I speak to my people? Look at me. Adugo, I am ashamed of myself. I cannot speak to my people. I don't even want them to know what is going on.
It's okay, my friend. Everything will be fine very soon.
How soon? When?
Whatever has a beginning has an end. Okay?
Adugo, please. I want you to stay here with me till this battle is over. If I'm left alone in this house, I might kill myself. Please, my friend, please.
Gina, what are you talking about? What about your husband? Is he going to permit it?
Yes. Adugo, husband knows you. You are my friend. Please. Please.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me. Oh. My past is here to haunt me.
Gina,
Is he back?
I should be the one asking you.
His car is not outside.
Gina, I think you need to see a man of God concerning your case.
Adubo, this case is beyond any man of God.
Do not say that. Prayer is the key and solution to every problem. Look, I know a man of God. He's a good man and a very powerful one. If you will agree with me, we can go see him tomorrow. Think about it.
Like I said,
I don't think any man of God can handle it.
Gina.
Richie, why are you doing this? These days you sleep outside. You've been out of your home since yesterday and you're back now drunk. What is going on? Why are you doing this to me? This is not fair.
Who talked? Huh? Who just talked about fairness? You? You? Talk about fairness? You have no moral justification whatsoever to talk about fairness. Yes. No moral justification when you are a killer. By a killer and a prostitute. Yes. You're, in fact, the superhero of prostitutes. Because how can you sleep with two brothers in the same house, on the same bed, from the same womb? How possible is that? Huh? How can you sleep privately with two private parts from the same womb? You are a superhero of prostitutes. You are great. But I will pray you down. Yes.
Richard, that was too harsh.
What was too harsh? Huh? See, I'm not drunk. You understand me? Not drunk. Not drunk.
I know you're not drunk.
Good. Because I know what I'm saying. And you see, you're the only person in this house who understands me. Keep it up. That's good. Very good.
Okay, can I help you up to your room?
Can you change your friends? Huh? Can you change your friends and stop following a superhero of prostitutes? Change your friends. Why should I go into my room? For what? Huh?
Just want you to go freshen up.
Freshen up. I want you to change your friends and stop following superhero of prostitutes and a killer. Yes. So my advice to you is you follow what your parents have told you. Stop moving with the Wonder Woman superhero of prostitutes. who will sleep with 2 brothers on the same bed, 2 private parts from the same womb.
Cause my past is here to haunt me. Oh. My past is here to haunt me. No, who would believe me?
Gina, I am sorry about what happened.
What took you so long?
Nothing.
Never mind.
Gina, you need to see the man of God I told you about. This is a serious case. How could he have insulted you before your visitor?
You have not seen anything yet. This is small compared to what he has been doing to me in this house.
Look, Gina, I don't care. I don't know what you want to say or what you're going to do about it. But first thing tomorrow morning, we are going to see that man. This whole issue must end. What is all this? Look, let's go inside. You need to rest. Come on. I don't want that. I don't.
Past is here to haunt me.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, up.
My past is here to haunt me.
Let's go.
No, who would believe me? Who would believe me? Oh, who will hear my side of stories?
I am so happy your mother has calmed down. She no longer disturb us as she used to.
How?
Yes, now. She doesn't come to my house to warn my mother to tell me to keep up from you as she used to do.
Are you sure? Are you sure my mother has really calmed down?
Yes.
Because I know my mother.
Yes, I feel so. I feel so.
Okay, let's hope so.
So tell me, when are you coming to see me?
I'm going home.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm going.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm going for real.
Joy, come here. Joy, I say she should come here right now. She is not going anywhere. No, look at you. Did you just say anything? Are you daring me? Abucha, are you daring me? See, Donna, I have been waiting for a day like this. If you know you have morale, if you know your mind, you've grown so big, come and take Joy from me.
Abuchi, is there a challenge or what?
I'm asking you, is that a challenge or what? You can call it anything you like. As far as I'm concerned, Joy is mine. Mine alone.
Hey! Somebody's going to die. Abuchi, I don't want to beat you today. I don't want to beat you at all. See what will happen, Let's just strike a deal, okay? If you beat me, you will have Joy. But if I kill you, Joy will be mine forever. Deal?
No.
Deal?
No.
Joy, go and buy cascades. Tell her parents to call funeral undertakers. Okay? Calm down.
No, you don't have to.
I promise you, don't fear. Oh, come and take her.
Just keep your face.
No, come and take Joy.
Steady your face. I don't want to stress you. Let me beat you. Steady your face.
I said, come and take Joy. Come and take Joy.
I'm not feeling fine.
You ain't done me.
I will kill you. I've not eaten you.
Me and you.
Joy, tell him to stop. Joy, tell him to stop. Stop. You know what? I will deal with you. Get me care. I will not have this on you. Today. Don't bring anything. Don't come back here. You mad? You will not challenge me in this village. Don't come back here. You in this village. Try me. Don't bring anything. Get me something. I'm not feeling fine. Give me something. I'm not feeling fine. Today.
Abdi, you are using bottle on me. Abdi, you are using bottle. You are using bottle. Abdi, you are using bottle. You carry me from.
Abdi, you've touched the tail of a lion. Just because I'm not feeling fine. Just because I've not eaten. The opportunity of this only opportunity you had. We could have just ended exchanging words. Now look at what you've done to me. Next time I will see you. Next time I will just go and do training for you.
That's not Udonna. Ha, Udonna. What happened? Look at your body.
Nothing happened. Did anything happen to me?
Nothing happened that you are looking this way. From your head to your toe.
Nothing happened to me now. Okay. You want to know what happened?
I want to know. Tell me.
You like this? Come on, let me tell you what happened.
Let me tell you, I don't have anywhere I'm going to.
See, as I was coming down, hey, I saw this grass cutter. If you see this grass cutter, very big. Wow. Hey! I said to myself, God has provided my daily bread. You know my history now? My grandfather was a hunter. My father was a hunter. Hunting runs in my blood. Hi! I followed that grass cutter. Piam. The grass cutter entered the bush. I say, me. I follow the grass cutter. I dive into the bush. Piam! Fight. Hey, trust me now. I will leave the rest to your imagination.
Udonna, with all this story now, how can I ever imagine that Udonna is grass cutter that made you look this way?
My sister, this grass cutter is not ordinary grass cutter. Anuchi. See, the next time I will see this grass cutter, I promise myself I must kill it. I must eat it. By that time, you will come and beg me for meat.
That's true, but Udonna, the truth is, I will not lie to you now. You're my brother. I don't understand this your story at all. I cannot.
You don't understand my story. I told you what happened. You say you don't understand my story.
Because I don't understand now.
So you want me to go and call the grass cutter so that you will do us interview, As what? Journalist? NTA? Waka.
Udonna, because of grass cutter, is looking this way. I believe you don't want to tell me the truth. But trust me, we're in this village together. I must hear the full story. Udonna, because of grass cutter.
Onye wubi sigi wonu biya. Onye wapu sikwaki rapulisi akuya. Rapumo kampulono. If I what is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. This is dangerous. Please run. As fast as you can run. As fast as you can. Cause if you're loud devil, you go use it. When you use it, finish, you go dump you. If you're loud devil, you go use it. If you use it, you go dump you. Please run. As fast as you can run. As fast as you can run. In your eyes, but remember, original is original. Remember, original is original. Run, please run, as fast as you can run. As you can. Cause if you're loud devil, you go use it. When you use it finish, he go dump you. If you love devil, he go use you. If you use you, he go dump you. Please run, run, run.
Excuse me. I'm sorry for the disturbance. I guess you like this too.
Did somebody tell you to serve me that?
Nobody. I saw it in the market and I guess you like it after drinking.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I have a sip of your drink?
Sure.
Thank you.
Finish it.
Nice. Thank you. You can enjoy your watermelon.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can. Cause if you're not devil, you go use it. When you use it finish, you go dump you. If you're not
Don't throw me away. Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me. Don't throw me away.
You are worried. I think I know why.
No, you don't. It's not what you think. My mother called me.
What did she say?
She said she had a terrible dream about me. She said she knew that all is not well with me. I tried to convince her that I have no problem, but she disagreed with me.
So, is that why you're worried?
She said she'll be coming by the weekend to see me. I mean, I don't want my mother to come and see the mess I'm in. I don't want her to come here.
You still have time to fabricate the story to make her not come.
That's my problem. I don't know what to tell her. I don't know what to say. Please help me. I don't want her to come.
It's okay. I'll think of something.
Okay, thank you. Where's my husband?
He's out. You must be hungry. I'll get you something to eat.
Thank you.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can. Cause if you're not devil, you go use it. When you use it, finish, you go dump you. If you're loud devil, you go use it. If you use it, you go dump you. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run.
Exactly the way Gina used to dance for me in those days.
Can't you see how beautiful she is? Think of how good she might be on bed. Would you want to meet this golden opportunity? Go for her. She will not resist you. She's sexier than your wife. Can't you see her waist? The way she winds it? She's all yours.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Are you the only one at home?
Yes, I am. Gina went out with Rex.
That's good. Very good.
Do you care for lunch?
No,
I prepared something delicious. You will love it. Trust me.
Okay. Let me freshen up first.
All right. I'll set the table.
Okay.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous.
Hey, you need to see what Abushi did today. He beat him blue and black. Hey, are you serious? Like, Almighty Udonna. Me too, this lady. Me too, I was so surprised. I didn't even know Abushi could beat him like that. But Joy, I don't understand. Like, what taste do you want? Has he not proven his love to you? He has. But I'm so happy. No more. Joy, come here. Joy, go there. Joy, what are you doing? Joy, where are you going to?
Every day, Joy.
I am really happy. I'm really happy to hear this. So like, because I don't want to pass. Let's give him the way. Pass now, we're not blocking you.
Joy.
Please just pass.
Joy, I swear, I was sick that day. I was sick.
No, you did not eat. He was actually hungry.
Yes, I was sick. And I took my medicine without eating. That was why this guy just did this thing to me.
Sicker!
Joy. But was I sick? Hey. Joy is gone.
Onye nwoke isi gị pụọ n'obi ya. Onye nwe akwụsịkwa gị rapụrụ isi akwụ ya. Rapụ m ka mkpụrụ ọnụ m. Ife ọsọ nyapụrụ n'ụwa aga m afọ isi ya. Rapụrụ m ka mkpụrụ ọnụ m. Ife ọsọ nyapụrụ aga m afọ isi ya. Ma ọ dị mma ma ọ dị njọ aga m afọ isi ya. What is in your mind? What are you up to?
Yes,
What
come
is in
in.
your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous.
Lunch is served.
Oh, I'm going.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Yeah, do you know where Gina went?
Yes, she went to see her mother. She won't be coming back anytime soon.
Oh, okay.
Okay, please make it snappy downstairs because I do not like my food being eaten cold. I'll be waiting.
Why do you like a kid? You wife out. This is a very good opportunity. Do you want to mess it up? She needs you to make and stop being afraid.
Don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to hurt me. My past is here to hurt me.
Should I help you out?
Go on.
I hope you don't mind my dance. I love dancing.
It's okay.
Okay, let me drop this.
You can now take a closer look at her. Every part of her body is so charming. Take her to bed. Your wife is not coming home now. You might not have this opportunity again. Go ahead. Do it. After all, she betrayed you.
If you need anything, please let me know. I will be outside.
Okay.
Enjoy your meal.
Richard, what are you waiting for? You can eat this food later. This is the moment you cannot miss. Go! Go! Go!
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can.
Oh. I didn't know you were there. Are you done eating or do you need something?
Of course I need something.
Okay, what do you want?
You're very beautiful. You're sexy. And I want you.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Stop. My wife is not at home. So what are we waiting for?
Please, let us not do this, please.
Come here. You like me, and I like you too. Let's stop pretending.
I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to hurt me. My past is here to hurt me.
Nico. Gina is back.
I did put your feet, my girl. I got banana with a woman and Susan. I got putty with a woman and Susan. I got banana with a woman and Susan. I got putty with a woman and Susan. When you will be singing, for no beer. Onye nwa kwụsịkwa gị rapụrụ isi akwụ ya rapụmo ka mkpụrụ ọnụnụ ife ọsọ nyapụrụ n'ụwa aga m afọ isi ya rapụrụ m ka mkpụrụ ọnụnụ ife ọsọ nyapụrụ aga m afọ isi ya.
You can go now. I'll call you.
Call me.
Aga m afọ isi ya. Aga m afọ isi ya.
Talking. Oh, Mama, I was making call.
Have you gone to get the firewood I told you to go and bring for me?
Oh, but maybe I'll call again. You've come again now, eh? Okay, see, I'll go. I'll go, but not now.
Please don't allow another person to pick it. Or you say not now. No, I'm beginning mail.
See, Mama, I'll go, but see. Right now, what I need now is a good rest. Any demiko is the baller. It's good as week like this. You want to go? Yes. Then before me yola one the good is born mechanical go maybe na from kita.
So you're tired? Yes. What did you do that made you tired?
Mama, it's nothing. You won't understand. It's a spiritual walk.
You need milk.
Can
you do milk, Uncle?
Not to go can be hand down.
Go and fetch me those firewood. Go and fetch. Don't allow another person to pick it up. I will finish you.
Mama, I will go.
You're tired. Spiritual walk.
I need to rest first. I need to rest. Wait.
Because it's the phone now, you're shy. Stupid boy.
I need to rest first.
Every time Dikeh go, you're tired. Spiritual walk. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? This boy cannot help me in this house. You talk Richard, let me get my phone and call him. I've not spoken with him for some time. Reach, let me. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from where you sent me. Where I sent you. This is not the road to Amechi's house. Yes, I stopped to see a friend. Joy, this is not the road to Amechi's house. Where are you coming from? Mama, I said I stopped to see a friend, and I'm sorry. This is the road to Ijeoma's house. And I'm sure you've gone there to be with her son, Abuchi. No, Mama, no, that's not true. I want to see a friend.
No, that is not true. From this place you're coming.
Let me finish you now.
You're wasting my time.
See, easily mouth that.
See, I use this thing to pay my school. Okay.
I'll tell you that I used this one too, to train myself.
Okay. Alright.
The master of this game.
You are sure?
Yes.
Ha! You are sure? Short, hold on first. If you don't have collect from here. You don't have time for nonsense.
Have you wait?
Hold on.
Hold on, you too.
Okay.
Okay, there is no continue. Okay. You see why I don't like star?
You don't know how to handle stars. That's why I don't like star.
See your people. You started.
What's all this now?
I hope you are taking that thing. Because I don't trust you. One bit. I will wait patiently. It's a sweet game.
Let's continue from here.
That's all.
That's many things. That's many things. Oh yeah. Is that all?
Yes, for now.
Is that all? Wait now, be coming down. Be coming down. Are you the one who play this one?
You started, Ojoro.
My friend, be coming down. What's that?
You started, though.
That you used to do.
Another one.
Okay.
I told you I would treat your phone.
No problem.
Richard laughed for the first time since the death of his brother. This is unbelievable.
Another one.
You are cheating. No, this one is cheating now.
How?
This is cheating.
How am I cheating?
Why did you shuffle 3 pictures together?
It's my phone.
No, you're lying. Please stop it now. No, now.
Carry the market, general market. Another one. Just pack everything. You see your people now. You see Ojoro master. Wait, I'll put this all on the hand like this. Yes.
Wait first. Is that all?
For now. I told you I am the master.
Finish now.
Do you believe me now?
I don't believe anything.
Do you believe me now?
I don't believe anything.
Continue, let me just pity you. Let me just pity you. You don't have anything. Go to market again.
Be calming down first. Be calming down. Let's plan your how we can calm you down. Wait first.
Only.
Just be calming down. Be calming down. I don't like people that like to rush.
I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to haunt me. Oh. My past is here to haunt me. No. Who would believe me? Who would believe me? Oh, who will hear my side of story?
So now you mention 10 4-letter words. Do you know any 4-letter words?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, now mention them. Here. Gina, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Mom, Auntie is helping me with my assignments.
And I hope you are paying attention.
Yes, Mommy.
All right.
Okay, so now you mention 5 4-letter words. Mention them.
Give, come, mine.
Man.
Mine?
Mine.
Yes.
Okay, I thought you said man because man is 3-letter words.
No.
Okay, 2 more.
What about?
Please don't throw me away. 'Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me.
What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
No, you're not, Gina. And I know what's on your mind.
I thought you were busy with my son's assignment. Finish up with him. I want to be left alone.
It's alright. But whatever it is, you can always count on me.
Please don't throw me away. 'Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me. Don't throw me away.
If I take the money and leave as you have ordered me to, what about my son?
Your son? What are you talking about?
Rex is my son.
What did you say?
You heard me. I impregnated Gina a few weeks to your wedding. Rex is my son. He has my blood running in his veins.
She can't deny the fact that she's the cause of my brother's death.
It's unconditional love. Please don't throw me away. 'Cause all I want is you. Remember.
You want to go first?
Well, congratulations. And where's Rex?
He's doing his assignment upstairs.
Did you see that? He spoke to me in a friendly manner. I told you. It is working. Just like that. Just like that. Has he asked you about the pregnancy? No, he hasn't.